Hello guys.
Hello.
Good evening.
Yeah.
And welcome to a rainy Disney Springs.
It is.
It's sprinkling out. It's rained off and on all day. We've been just hanging out and doing stuff that we needed to do. Visiting friends, family, stuff like that. Things we usually do the last day we're here. But now we're here for dinner and we're here for shopping.
Yeah.
So you guys should come join us.
Won't you?
Mm-hmm. Well, first things first, we are at Art Smith's homecoming. We're going to try to get a table here. I know they are out of reservations for the entire day. We're going to go on their standby list and see if we could get in here. Fingers crossed. If anything, we'll go on the standby list, do a little bit of shopping, and then come back when or if a table is ever ready. Lincoln, are you creating a masterpiece?
Yeah, he is.
Are you creating a masterpiece?
Keep coloring.
Is this like his first coloring session?
I think so.
I don't think you've ever colored before. Yeah, well, after like 20 short minutes,
Yeah, it wasn't long at all.
no, we're seated already, which is awesome. We debated where we wanted to go eat, and we enjoyed this place so much last time we were here, we had to come back.
We did.
Next time we'll go somewhere else.
Yeah.
Holy deviled eggs.
They look amazing.
Look how tall those things are.
Right?
Wow. They look
super excited about
amazing. I'm excited about them too. Can't wait to try them. Yum yum. Okay, these are definitely Paul approved.
I'm actually super surprised about that.
Are they Kristen approved?
Oh. They're Lincoln
And
approved.
they're actually Lincoln approved.
He loves them.
Yeah. It's a threefer. We all love it. We all
I'm really
love it.
surprised you like them.
Oh, they're really good. Holy crap, why did we not get these last time?
Because she said I'm not gonna like them.
Oh yeah. I'm weird like
Making
that.
you try different things.
No, I've been doing good at trying different things this trip.
You actually have, yeah. I'm proud of you.
Sorta, kinda. But better than usual.
Yes, better than usual.
The fried chicken is delicious here. The potatoes with the bacon and cheese we added to it looks delicious. Kristen, of course, got the same thing, only the two-piece with donuts.
Yeah.
With donuts, really?
Yeah.
Donuts? Wow. And Lincoln's got his chicken with peas, carrots, and mac and cheese.
Yeah.
Which I think we're going to eat some of. We are. Let me tell you right now, we're eating some of that.
All right, you can try the mac and cheese.
Yeah. Well, that was delicious.
Oh my god, it was so good.
That was way too much food. We have leftovers,
Yeah, we do.
and we're both stuffed.
Yeah, we are.
Like, beyond stuffed.
Yeah.
Man, I love homecoming.
I feel like we brought half of our food home with us too.
I think we did. About half of it. Okay, shopping time. World Disney.
Yeah.
Lego store,
Yes.
obviously. And wherever else we go?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we were in line for World Disney, which apparently is only a 20-minute wait, even though we have walked from the World Disney all the way around the World Disney, all the way over to Co-op.
Right?
We're swinging a corner. We're gonna walk all the way back.
Yep.
Kind of feels like what we did at SeaWorld the other day for security.
Oh my. Yes,
We
definitely.
didn't show you that, but oh wow, that was a walk.
That was.
Wow. Okay, well, at least hopefully it goes fast.
Yeah.
Okay, only like maybe 10 minutes later. I don't even think that. The line never actually stopped. We're in it. We're here. World of Disney. Now we gotta see what all we're gonna buy.
Oh my gosh, I see tons of stuff I want already.
Still wish I could buy the artwork.
I know.
But yeah, there's tons of things we've already seen.
Mommy's one of mommy's.
Lincoln is pointing to everything and chatting up a storm. He wants it all.
He does. He's like his mommy and daddy.
Mommy's like, what plush do you want? All of them. Like every single last plush. Why wouldn't you want them all? Even the bigger ones. He has. Who's he have already?
I can't remember, to be honest with you.
I think Goofy. I think Mickey.
Yeah.
I don't know who.
Donald?
I don't think he has a Donald.
Donald?
No, he doesn't have an Oswald. Well, he might have an Oswald upstairs that he doesn't play with.
This is an old Oswald.
Oh, that's just a
Steamboat Willie.
Steamboat Willie. That's what I meant to say.
It's a crocheted one though. I love that.
You telling us what you want? Are you telling us what you want?
He wants absolutely positively everything.
He's, oh my gosh, he's like an overload. He's like, I want it all. Okay, well, one thing I'm looking for is a jacket. That's nice. It's kind of like the
It's a nice lightweight, which is what you're
lightweight
looking.
jacket, you know, nice and, what's the material I'm looking
That
for?
reminds me of
A
windbreaker.
nylon windbreaker type thing, yeah. No to the jean jacket. Just no. This one, I like this. This would be like my Star Wars one. She reminds me a lot of my Star Wars
I
one.
feel like this is a little bit heavier than your Star Wars.
Is it?
Yeah.
So maybe I want the lighter jacket?
I'm not sure. You have to try them on, see which one's comfortable.
We'll have to see what else they have too.
Yeah, that's true.
But so far we have some potential things. Honey,
I love these.
she's my foolish mortal.
I
and
think
then-
there's the Heath one.
He could
Oh,
be
he's
one too.
nice.
We could have
Oh,
shirts.
these are cute.
Yeah, they are. I like them. I actually like a lot of stuff here, but nothing's really like calling my name, like grabbing me and pulling at me. And the two jackets we found, they don't have my size in either one. Boo. Yeah, so might be just going to shopdisney.com and buying stuff. Who knows? Not finding a lot here. I think Kristen found a shirt so far, and that's it. Okay, purchases were made.
There were purchases made.
Did we get everything we wanted?
No.
No. Did we get some things we wanted?
Yeah.
Yes. Did we get the discount we wanted?
No.
No, because I didn't read the fine print.
Our fault.
Apparently the world of Disney is not a Disney store. It's a Disney store, it's not called Disney Store. So they went on to the 20%. I only got 10%. Oh well.
Which is okay, because there is stuff that we've seen on
Shop
the
Disney.
Shop Disney website
which-
that they didn't have here.
But Shop Disney is a Disney store.
Right. Hey, look, I don't know.
I don't know. I feel like they make the rules up as they go.
Yep,
But they can, they're Disney.
they're Disney.
Okay, we're headed over to Legos.
We are.
I still want it.
Oh my gosh, I am now seeing this for the first time.
Don't you want it?
We need this.
Like this is almost as cool, or if not as cool as the Sesame Street one.
And I'm really upset. I didn't see the Sesame Street one.
We'll have to find that one. I don't know if it's assembled, but we'll show you it if it's here.
I love the poo.
I do too. The poo is awesome. Well, we have purchased Lego.
Yeah, you did.
And is this new?
I think so.
I don't remember this one. It looks new. It's nice and shiny. I like it. One last stop. We are back at Disney Style to pick up a few things we seen the very first day we went on vacation that we're hesitating to buy just because
I feel like this is always what happens.
it is, in some form or another. We were hesitant to buy them then because we didn't know what else we'd find the rest of the vacation. But now the vacation's over, we didn't find anything, so we're going to buy these.
I know you're sad.
Good early morning, everyone.
It's early.
It's time
Fine.
for us to say goodbye.
It's sad.
We have to go home.
We do.
Boo.
I know.
But you can come with us, won't you? So yes, 3:30 in the morning. I feel like we've been here before. Isn't this about the time we got up when we came here?
Probably.
Yeah, it was early. It's early again. We get to go home. Figure we do a quick room tour real quick. We're at the front door. Come into the kitchen. Huge kitchen for a, resort room.
It's a really nice kitchen.
This is a really nice room.
It is.
We are in the St. Augustine section, which you've seen the pool and everything already right outside. This is probably our favorite room we've stayed in, and since we've been here.
St. Augustine section, it is.
Yeah, these are just recently redone, all new stuff. Really nice. You can tell, big kitchen, washer and dryer behind Kristen, refrigerator, microwave, stove, oven, sink, dishwasher right here. This would lead to a adjoining one-bedroom room. This is a one-bedroom deluxe room.
Premium.
That's a premium. Yeah. Nice huge table.
Is that the bench?
Yes.
Seating?
Living room, of course, has a lot of seating. This is a sofa bed, TV, closet. It's too early for me to think. Wow, anything interesting there?
Oh, just
No?
a closet.
Lights up.
Oh, there's a vacuum in here and an ironing board and an iron.
Oh, there you go. Coming through here is one of our favorite parts of the room. A nice, huge shower. Nice big shower. It was awesome because I was able to sit in the shower and give Lincoln a bath. Nice bright mirrors. The water closet or toilet area is separate. Come over here, there is another section to the bathroom. It's got a whirlpool tub. Love the art here. All over the place. Another sink with a makeup mirror, another bright mirror that lights up. Nice having two sinks.
Oh yeah, I love that makeup mirror because you can pull it right up to you. It's awesome.
Yeah. Then into the one bedroom. Nice big TV. Nice big couch. It comes with a sleeping baby. He didn't sleep there. We actually set up the pack and play. And we put the pack and play right here. It fit perfect. It's out of the way. So we could slide it over when Kristen needed to use the mirror. When we slid it back, it worked out really nice.
It did.
Favorite feature of the room? This thing right here. They finally got smart, finally put plugs
There's plugs
and
everywhere.
USBs on the nightstands, both nightstands, and the phones, which are 3 phones here?
Are there?
2 phones.
2.
But each phone has plugs. Also, lots of plugs, lots of USB, lots of technology. When they upgraded,
Yeah, they added a lot.
they added a lot. Again, some nice artwork. Gotta appreciate that. There's artwork over the couch. Nice balcony. Here, let's go out here. Good sized balcony. Has a light. Has a fan. Not much of a view right now. That's the pool. That's how close we were to the pool. Some other of the rooms. Yeah, this is a nice room. It's our favorite area to stay in when we stay at this resort. So there you go. A nice, real quick, down and dirty room tour. Yeah, I need to start thinking. Okay, made it into the airport.
We did.
It went a lot smoother this time than the first time.
Smoother.
We're getting a handle on how to handle like 10 pieces of luggage at a time.
It's still hard though.
Now, we get to do our favorite thing, last minute shopping. Oh, wait, what, but maybe Disney. Nope. We're way too early at the airport.
It's super early.
If you're here before the gift shops open, you're here too early.
Right?
Now, where are we going to buy our last minute gifts?
Not here.
Boo.
Should have thought of that at the park.
Should have. Lincoln, do you want to run through this water? Do you want to run through this water? I definitely think you get wet. I personally think it would be fun. I would do it too, Lincoln. Yeah, he's like, Daddy, I don't even know why I'm awake. Leave me alone.
Uh-huh.
Lincoln, you get one last ride. Well, I guess 2 if you count the plane. The plane's a ride, right?
Yeah.
Okay. This is your second to last ride. It's the tram. I keep calling it a monorail, but it's not. It's like a tram.
Tram.
Yeah. You're so excited, aren't you? Not really. Lincoln, did you make it aboard? Did you make it aboard?
We did, Daddy,
Yeah, you fell asleep out in the terminal. You were asleep the whole time we boarded. When you woke up, you were sitting on a plane.
Right?
And the mama's here.
Hi.
And we're hoping that you didn't take long enough of a nap that you fall asleep on the flight.
I hope so.
I'm kind of nervous about that. Hopefully you sleep. Because you slept the whole way up and it was beautiful. Hopefully you sleep the whole way down. Or the whole way back. Yeah. We made it.
Yeah, we did.
Are you glad to be back?
No, I want to go back to Florida.
I said, Mama, glad to be back?
No, I want to go back to
It's a
Florida.
little chilly here. Let's go back to Florida. Eventually, just not today.
No.
Well, car is packed back up. We are ready to drive home
We are.
and officially close this vacation out.
Oh,
I know. Well, technically we're on vacation for another hour drive home.
that's true.
I don't know if that counts, Lo. Okay. Well, guys, it is several days later. Several. It's a few days later, and we've been home. We made it home after the hour drive from Pittsburgh, and we promptly fell asleep.
We did.
And then we got up and went to work that night, and we started the cycle of regular life again.
Yeah.
But we had such a great time. Did you have a good time on vacation?
Yes, I did.
Did you like SeaWorld?
Yes, I
You loved SeaWorld. Do you like Busch Gardens better, Lo, I think?
I think he did too. He liked the rides at Busch Gardens better.
You did like Busch Gardens better?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was such a nice vacation. Yeah, it was. Are you happy to be home? You're
No
not
way.
happy to be home. We're not either. But such is life. I really enjoyed myself. It was very relaxing. Had a lot of awesome food. Little boy rode a lot of awesome rides.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, it was a good time.
Mwah.
A little short. It was a little short, but that's okay.
It is.
You need a short vacation every now and then.
Yeah.
We've just been hanging out, sleeping a lot, trying to recover, working, things like that. Nothing major going on. Little boy has been loving being outside. Yeah. What do you see over there? You see something. I don't know what it is. Oh, Pedialyte probably. But yeah, I think with that, we're going to wrap up this vacation series. And we got some other cool stuff coming up. We have a haul coming up.
Ooh, do
We
we?
didn't buy a ton of stuff.
We didn't.
We bought some stuff though.
Yeah.
I think we'll do a vacation haul next. And then we have more fun stuff after that. A lot of fun stuff coming up.
Yep.
So we'll talk to you then.
Bye, guys.
Bye.